Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The Kawasaki Z400 has a new Pro Street style big brother, the 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator. It marks a return of the Eliminator name, which was first used by Kawasaki in 1985. Kawasaki's using the moniker have ranged in size from 125cc to 1000cc with engine configurations, including singles, parallel twins, V-twins, and inline fours. So, let's see what motorcycle gets the Eliminator designation in 2024. The 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator is powered by a stroked version of the engine used by the Z400 and Ninja 400 sport bikes. Kawasaki engineers lengthened the stroke by 6.8 mm to bump the displacement of the Eliminator's motor to 451cc. This puts the parallel twin-powered Pro Street Cruiser's combustion chamber volume just 20cc short of the Honda Rebel 500's parallel twin. The Eliminator motor puts out a peak of 31.7 foot-pound of torque at 7,500 revolution per minute, compared to the Ninja 400's 28 foot-pound of torque summit at 8,000 revolution per minute. The Eliminator gets a 6-speed transmission with a slip and assist clutch. Apropos of the Eliminator name, the chassis is long and low to evoke thoughts of a dragster. The wheelbase stretches nearly 60 inches, and the rake kicked out 30 degrees. Trail is spacious at just under 5 inches. Unusual for a motorcycle with Pro Street styling, a trellis frame is employed. The Eliminator gets an unusual 18 by 16 inch wheelset. Also, we rarely see IRC Grand high-speed tires, but there they are on the Eliminator. The tires are wide at 130 mm in the front and 150 mm out back. The 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator suspension has a retro appearance. The fork is a non-adjustable conventional design, and the rear shocks are adjustable for spring-preload only. Damping is fixed at both ends. The rear shocks are bolted to a die-cast box swing arm. While disc braking is standard, anti-lock braking system is optional. Nissin supplies the calipers for the disc on each wheel, and the optional $300 anti-lock braking system is Nissin. The Eliminator's ergonomics skew towards standard upright. The Eliminator's seat is a bit lower and farther back than on the Z400, while the grips are up and back with a flat handlebar bend, and the foot pegs are slightly down and forward. The ergos are more upright than the 650 class Kawasaki Vulcan S combined. The Eliminator should be a bit roomier than the Z400, and the rider sitting closer to vertical. The standard seat height is a hair under 29 inches, with optional seats that sit at about 28 and 30 inches above the street. Passenger accommodations are standard on the Eliminator. If you plan on riding solo most of the time, a seat cowling is optional. The LCD dash is retro round, with a modern touch, Bluetooth connectivity. The 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator is compatible with Kawasaki's Radiology the app. The owner can track how much and how hard. The Eliminator is ridden thanks to sophisticated GPS-assisted data logging. Radiology the app can alert you when your paired smartphone gets a call or an email. The round headlight is LED, with the look of an incandescent bulb. The turn signals and taillight have a more contemporary look. Accessories not yet mentioned include a helmet lock, frame slider kit, tank pad, radiator trim, and a taller screen for the SE headlight cowling. All three 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator models should be at your dealers now or very soon. The list price for the standard Eliminator is $6,649. You pay $300 more for the anti-lock braking system version, and add another $300 on top of that for the Eliminator SE ABS. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.